Hi friends, so this video shows how to install Keras with Python 3. So let me check the version of Python 3 which I am using. It's Python 3.8.2. So next we need to install pip3 package manager or Python 3 package manager. So we can install pip3 package manager using apt package manager if you are using Ubuntu. If you are using CentOS, you can use yum. So if you are using Windows, you can follow the Windows doc about how to install pip3. So let me install pip3. Then next I'm going to check the version of pip3. Okay, so let me clear the screen. So before installing Keras, we need to install tensorflow. So tensorflow we can install using pip3 package manager like this, sudo pip3 install tensorflow. If you are using Ubuntu system, you can use apt package manager. If you are using CentOS, you can use yum. So let me install using pip3. So this command will work for Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS and everything. So let me try with pip3. Okay, I have installed TensorFlow. So next I am going to install Keras. So there also we have two options. We can use pip3 package manager or apt or yum package manager. So I am going to use pip3 package manager. So let me install Keras using pip3 install Keras. Okay, done. Then let me open Python 3 console. See, it's working. You can see import work. Import is working. You can see the message using TensorFlow backend. So let me try to install, try to import TensorFlow. See, this way we can install Keras with Python 3.